To change your default search engine to Google, you can follow these steps in the most commonly used browsers, Chrome and Edge. In Chrome, start by clicking the three dots at the top right corner. Then select the Settings option, which is the second to last option at the bottom. Once in the settings, locate the Search Engine option, usually found in the middle of the left side of the screen. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear, allowing you to change your search engine. If Google is not already selected, you can choose it from the list and click Set as Default. This will confirm that Google is now your default search engine. The process is similar in Edge, which is typically installed by default on Windows computers. To begin, click the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings from the bottom of the drop-down menu. Then, type Search Settings in the search bar and select the Address Bar and Search option, which should be the second to last result. From there, you can change the search engine used in the address bar from the default Bing to Google. You can also choose to use Google in the search box and address bar. In general, the steps to change your default search engine to Google are the same across most browsers. Go to the settings, locate the search engine option, and select Google from the list. This should be a straightforward process, as Google is usually included in the list of available search engines for most browsers and apps. By following these steps, you can easily switch to Google as your default search engine.